Here we are in Jaisalmer for today. Good morning.
Morning.
And oh, you are with Vamshi and only Abhishek. Only three of us.
I got pass, sir.
And we came here for Thakurji restaurant, which is the office for Patel Desert Camp. So we need to collect some passes and go to the sand dunes. As it is 31st night, it is fully crowded, and we didn't expect this much crowd will be coming here. How is the breakfast from the past 4 days?
Aloo kachori. Chai kachori.
Only having kachori, poha, samosa for the breakfast, for the snacks, for the break, everything. What is this? This is special kachori?
Chai kachori.
Dahi kachori. There are so many stalls here. So much business is happening. And I personally think vehicle permissions should be stopped or prohibited from entering the fort. This doesn't even look like a fort. It more looks like a shopping market or shopping street. It was a fort. Every building is converted into hotel. Hotel Suraj. बाहर से फुल हवेली तरह दिखता है, लेकिन अंदर स्मॉल साइज ओयो. And there's a village inside the fort. That's why it is fully crowded and vehicles are moving around here. ये पूरा fort नहीं है, fort के अंदर village है. And maybe all these families only survive with the tourism. Then with shopping as well for family. And you want to see our shopping?
Family shopping.
Yeah, especially family shopping. No personal shopping. So, you want to see what we have shopped? We have literally shopped a full of bag.
Bag full of bags.
Bag full of bags. We shopped so much that especially 90% of the contribution was Vamshi's. He shopped so much that even to take all those things, he bought an extra big duffel bag to that. Now carrying duffel bag on the bike is another extra luggage, and he has to do it, or else मेरा tiger पे भी जगह है, पीछे सीट खाली है, and we'll get a backrest as well. Baba, please tie that on my tiger back seat, no?
Oh, tiger is best.
Yeah, so that I will
Back for rest.
I will get my backrest.
किन्ने जा रही हो नेक्स्ट?
किन्ने इस तरह जाना है अब बाहर.
रूम जानी हो लगेज लेनी हो सैंडस्टॉर्म जानी हो.
You want to have one more kachori for the lunch as well?
No man, I will have some good mutton today. What the hell?
Mutton? I'm going to have very lightly.
I want annam poppu.
I want annam poppu with pachadi.
Okay.
Vamshi.
Till we are roaming.
I am non-veg.
I don't have any interest in boating as well.
ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಬಂದ್ರೆ ಕೂರ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಿಂಗ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಸೇ ಬರ್ಬೋದು.
ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಕೂಡ್ಸಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀನೇ ತೊಳಿಬೇಕು. Small lake, very small one.
ನೀರು ಫುಲ್ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಇದೆ.
But there are some structures in between. Maybe Rajas used to take rest there. Hi. This kid want to rev it, and he has been standing here from past 20 minutes so that we have packed our luggage and warmed it up. करो. ऐसा नहीं पकड़ने का, ऐसा करने का, पकड़ना नहीं है. बस ये फुल नहीं डालना अभी. फुल नहीं डालना. हाँ, कैमरा है ना आप दिख रहे हो. आपकी होटल अच्छा है बाहर से. गंदे नहीं है, अच्छे है, लेकिन छोटा है।
अरमान सर्किल आ गया, वहाँ से सीधा सीधा चला जाना।
ओके छोटू, बाय बाय। नो
हमको नहीं ले रहे 20 रुपए।
क्या
मेरे को
क्या चाहिए?
20 रुपए।
20 रुपए? क्यों रे पूछे? आपका ये ना होटल और 20 रुपए पूछ रहे हैं? अप्पा का? He waited from 20 minutes to rev it, just to rev it. And उसके ऊपर पूछ रहे टिप्स। होटल ही इसके बाप का है। From Jodhpur to Jaisalmer, the road was first class. Not even a single bump. There will be one or two, I guess. That too with all the signs and all the precautions. Board size was there. He is too excited to see hi and bye. Here is some paragliding happening, and ATV is also there. And here we are in the desert area. Yeah, we can have a two-stroke bikes here and ATVs as well. Sammy is around another 30 kilometers. Oh, but I think this is the not best place for paragliding. Yeah, there are only rocks here. Sand dunes will be the best. Most of the people think desert will be like fully sands and nothing else, but desert will be like this. Sand dunes will be like that. And this is the proper desert view for you. And here are the sand dunes for you. There one Fortuner is struggling to get out of the dunes, and उसके पीछे है Ridge. It's also struggling to get out. So there are so many people that can easily come out of that. Oh, Ridge भी आ गई बाहर.
And now we are going to Jeep Safari.
है